Hey there. If you're struggling with those annoying tension headaches, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down step by step how to alleviate tension headaches. This video will give you practical, science-backed tips to help you feel better fast. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you find this helpful. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's understand what tension headaches are. These headaches are often described as a constant ache or pressure around the head, particularly at the temples or the back of the head and neck. They are the most common type of headache among adults and can be caused by stress, poor posture, or fatigue. Now here's how to get relief from tension headaches. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Make sure your back is supported and your neck is in a neutral position. Poor posture can exacerbate tension headaches, so this is crucial. Apply a compress. You can use either a hot or cold compress. A hot compress can help relax tense muscles, while a cold compress can numb the pain. Wrap the compress in a cloth and apply it to your forehead, temples, or the back of your neck for about 15 to 20 minutes. According to the Mayo Clinic, this can significantly reduce headache symptoms. Use essential oils. Certain essential oils, like peppermint and lavender, have been shown to reduce headache symptoms. It's important to note that not everyone finds essential oils helpful, and some people may be allergic. Do a patch test on your inner arm before applying them to your temples or neck. Massage a drop or two into your temples and the back of your neck. The soothing aroma and the slight pressure from the massage can help alleviate pain. Stay hydrated and beware of caffeine. Dehydration can be a major trigger for headaches. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. The American Migraine Foundation emphasizes the importance of hydration in preventing and alleviating headaches. Additionally, be mindful of your caffeine intake, as excessive caffeine consumption can contribute to headaches for some people. Take pain relief medication. If your headache persists, you might consider taking an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Always follow the dosage instructions on the label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Rest in a quiet, dark room. Sometimes, the best remedy is simply to rest. Find a quiet, dark room and lie down for a while. Close your eyes and try to relax. This can help reduce the intensity of your headache. Practice relaxation techniques. Stress is a major cause of tension headaches. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can be very effective. For example, deep breathing involves inhaling slowly through your nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Doing this for a few minutes can help calm your mind and relax your muscles. Maintain good posture. Make sure you're maintaining good posture throughout the day, especially if you spend long hours at a desk. Keep your feet flat on the floor, your back straight, and your shoulders relaxed. Ergonomic chairs and proper desk setup can make a big difference. According to Harvard Health, maintaining good posture is crucial in preventing tension headaches. By following these steps, you can alleviate your tension headaches and get back to feeling your best. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and give yourself the care you need. If your headaches persist or worsen, make sure to consult a healthcare professional. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below if you found these tips helpful.